Saturday morning, Old Beach Farmers Market. It's about 11, about 10:45 maybe. I'm hoping a half a ripper. I'm not there yet. I had a gang of pocket knives, only 4 or 5 kitchen knives. A lot of people there. Beautiful, cool day in Virginia. We have a fair breeze. I had to put the weights out, but it's very nice. The end of August. My buddy Rick's in. Rick from PA, one of my detective buddies, that hunts down here every year. Well, I know we'll go for a spin tomorrow, get the Momo's man, we'll meet him on the beach. He's staying at 5th Street. I don't think he's going to be here maybe 3 or 4 days, he says. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I'll get back to you. What else do you
Oh crap, it's on video.
Taking a video, take it off. Now you got it on. Now you got it on.